Hi, in front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to click on Bluetooth and device connection. Click on the switcher next to Bluetooth and tap on it. Then choose pair new device and wait for available ones to show up. Tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit, and click pair in the pop-up. Now you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this connection though by tapping on this gear icon next to the device and choosing forget. Then confirm your choice by tapping on forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!